रक्षाबंधन को निभाना भैया मेरे. So you must be thinking that I have confused between my entertainment channel and my craft channel. Well, not really. So Raksha Bandhan is knocking on the door, literally knocking on the door. And this time it's quite risky to step out of our home and buy some Rakhis for our brothers. Also, handmade gifts add a lot of love in it. So why not gift them some handmade Rakhis, tie them some handmade Rakhis. So I thought of sharing with you guys a tutorial on making an amazing peacock Rakhi without the use of any ball chain or any stones, with just the bare minimum crafty materials that probably we all have at home. Also, if you don't have any of these, don't worry, I have tried to put up alternatives for all of this at the end of the tutorial video. So please make sure you watch the entire video so that you can make these Rakhis without any problem at your home. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
First, we take a foam sheet and draw a petal on it. Cut out the petal. Next, take a shell and fix it over the petal with fabric glue. Then, draw an outline of the head and neck of the peacock and cut it out as well. Fix it to the previous foam sheet with some glue like this. Next, take blue marble paper and cut out 3 similar petals from it. Take a glitter foam sheet and cut out larger petals from it in a similar pattern. Then attach these petals together to the body of the peacock to make its tail. Use a fabric glue to do this. Next, place the blue pieces of paper on them so that they look like a peacock's tail. Finally, glue some chumkis to the tail and with a stone sticker, make its beak. Color the neck and the body of the peacock in shades of violet, blue and green. Also mark an eye with a pen. This is how it looks. Adjust the uneven parts at the back with another foam sheet. Now for the last and the most important step. With fabric glue, attach a ribbon of suitable color to the back and secure it with a separate foam sheet. Do not forget to do this step. With that, our peacock Rakhi is ready. Tie it on your brother's wrist and wish him a very happy Raksha Bandhan.
Well, I don't look Sony at all, so I should put this off. And you must be wondering what I am doing with this red bindi. So as promised, we have come to the end of this video and it's time for all the alternatives for the materials, and lal bindi is definitely one of them. So I hope you like this video, you like this idea, and if you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Now moving on to the alternatives. So for foam sheet. For foam sheet, you can definitely use a paper or a cardboard sheet. Next, shell. For shell, you can use rajma, any lentil, nutshell. I personally wanted to use nutshell, but I didn't get nutshell, so I had to go with the shell thing. Dried leaf or petal, and definitely paper. You can do some paper quilling design and put it on the body, or you can do anything else. If you come up with any other idea, then please let me know. I will be very delighted to know what alternatives you have used for making this Rakhi. Okay, next, fabric glue. You can definitely use Fevicol, Fevikwik or hot glue gun. Then blue marble paper. For blue marble paper, you can use any blue scrapbook paper, or another major alternative is you can use white paper and color it blue or shades of blue like violet, blue, green mixed, so that it gives the proper peacock kind of feel. Then glitter foam sheet, again you can use paper and apply glitter on it or color it with some sparkling color like that. Then for chumki you can use mirrors if you have small mirrors or like that. Then you can use bindi, the stone bindis, sketch pen or dot pens, we can use all of them. Now beak. For the beak I actually need the bindi. Now I don't know if you can see this. So this bindi, how we will make a beak out of this. This idea basically didn't occur to me when I was making the video. Otherwise I would have incorporated this idea only. So we will fold this into half to get a semicircle kind of thing, and then cut out a triangle from this. So next what we have is a triangular beak. So you can either fix it with glue to the head of the peacock, or you can just place the head of the peacock in the center and it's done. And finally for ribbon you can definitely use thread, embroidery thread, wool or any lace kind of cotton piece, and we are good to go. So that's all for the alternatives. Hope you like this video, hope you like this idea. If you do, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's it. Hope to see you guys soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy and stay crafty. Lots of love.